my name is John Crowley from Aquis Community, and we're going to be producing the on-land portion of this year's Day on the River. A great family community event, June 2nd, Sunday June 2nd, starts at 10 a.m. in the morning and goes right through till 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
So last year I went to Day on the River, and it was an amazing event, and basically we took this lawn and we were all spread out on picnic blankets, and we're eating good food, listening to the great music of the Ukulele Woman, and I recommend getting out, even if you're not going to paddle, just to enjoy this lawn and watching people on the river. It's an amazing event.
On Day on the River, we will be getting everybody down here. I expect about 300 people down here to try out all kinds of human-powered boats. We do rowing shells, outrigger canoes, hydro bikes, picnic boats, canoes, kayaks, just all kinds of fun on the water. And you can bring your whole family.